Alright, quick update on the Hemi swap. Only thing I got is I'm still waiting on bolts and another power steering pump because that one didn't work that I had, and it ended up breaking. Plus it already had a chip in it and a bunch of other things. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a new one. Not PSC or anything. But everything else, assembly or accessory wise, AC compressor, I actually need a bolt on there, but we'll think about that later once I get a little bit more stuff done here. If you have a recommendation for coil packs, please let me know, for a 5.7 Hemi at least. And then one of these, the opposite side's knock sensor is not there, so I'll have to get another one. But rear sump conversion is done. Torque converter bolts, transmission, all bolted up. The only two bolts that actually line up on each side, 4 total, are these ones. Apparently that's just how you do it, but it looks weird because these don't align, but it is meant for a different transmission total. It aligns with one of those, so should be good. And then I gotta still get the transmission lines for the JK or JL, whatever one I can get. It works. It's not gonna be a JL. That was stupid. But yeah, it's just gonna be JK transmissions and cooler lines because that one broke out of there. Both of them actually broke. Cool thing is, I don't have to do the Dorman heater core lines because they're already on a Chrysler 300, so that's a plus to Chrysler 300 engines with a V8. I do have to get another breather hose for right there for the transmission because that one broke off in the old transmission. Right in there where it goes. I still have to figure out how to get the transmission dipstick to actually work. I think that's just, yep, that's just another